Hi, programmers. Wish you a time of happy learning with Last Minute Professor. In this video, let us explore the help option in IDLE. Type help. The first learning is that there are two options to use help. Let us try out the interactive help first by typing help off. You'll see that the chevron symbol changes to help greater than symbol. This symbol is the indicator that you are in interactive help mode. Now we have suggestions for what to search for in this interactive help. Modules, keywords, symbols, topics. Let us try them out one by one in order. When you type modules, it gathers and shows you the available list of modules, both built-in and user-defined as you see on my screen. It shows deprecated warning of installed built-in modules too. It also suggests you that you can explore more on a particular module by entering any module name. As you see here, enter any module name to get more help. Let's try out for math module. Let me type math and press enter key. When you have a larger number of lines, the result is squeezed. You can double click to view it. You have the details of all the functions defined in math module with explanation. Awesome. The second suggestion for searching in interactive help was keywords. So let me type keywords and hit enter key. I get a list of Python keywords. For more help, I can enter any keyword. Sounds interesting. Let us learn about the keyword if. Wow, that helps me with an explanation about if. The third suggestion was symbols. So let me type symbols and press enter key. I have the list of symbols, and to explore more, for example, about J, let me type J. I get the details that it is for the imaginary part of the complex number. Superb. The last suggestion was topics. So we get a list of available topics. We can explore more on a particular topic. So, for example, let us learn about tuples. Let me type tuples. So, right clicking on this, you have two options. Either you can copy the result into another file or just view it. Or if you just double click it, you will get all the contents here itself. So, this is the detailed explanation on tuples. So, tuples are immutable and all the details are there here. Okay, to quit this interactive help mode, just we can type quit and press enter key. It returns back to the Python interpreter. So this is the interactive help. The second option is to use help of object. So let us try out help on math. Help of math within quotations in the Python interpreter returns the details on math. Okay. Besides these two things, you can also find a help menu in IDLE. So if you click that, the first option you have is about IDLE. So you get the details about IDLE. You can get license information or the copyright details, credits. You have other details about IDLE to read main news and stuff. So let me close it. Then in the IDLE menu, I have IDLE help. So this helps with the other menus and options present in IDLE. So you can see file menu, edit menu, format menu, run menu, shell menu. So let me check shell menu. So what are the options that are available under shell menu? The detailed explanation is here. The next thing is Python docs. that provides you with the detailed documentation for Python. That's it. To encourage and support this work, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for further updates.